give baby a kiss? Yay! Want to find another baby to kiss? Give baby kisses. Can you kiss her? Is that not a happy baby? No, you want a happy baby to kiss? Here's your favorite one. Can you give her kisses? Yay! How about this baby? Can you give her a kiss? No. She's not your favorite baby? Well, that's a boy baby. We gotta find a girl. There's a girl. Can you give her kisses? No, she's making a bad face too? And this is a nice baby. You give her a kiss? Does she get a kiss? No? You want your baby? Alright, you ready? Here she is. Can you give her kisses? Mwah. That's your favorite baby, huh? Okay. How about that baby? No? Only this baby gets a kiss from you? Okay.